So hi guys, for today's video we're gonna learn about on how to build and launch an SMS marketing campaign and Shopify.io. So first, click repetition, click SMS request. So here you can create a new SMS or either SMS templates. So click create new, or you can either build scratch or build pre-built template. So you're gonna select this. So fill in the template name. So for example, and click save. So that's all for today's video. Thank you for watching.